Riu Bishop Ben JCM Church ni onanitie kwinyihia na ni arikitie kuhoya muhera kuri Pritty Vishy na kamunyita hugeni kanitha-ini wa GCM githe hau ti hega andu itu ni ngukonge quote ndumiriri ya Bishop Ben JCM Church akauga Pritty Vishy, I'm really sorry and I take this moment to highly apologize for mentioning your name in a show where I went overboard and mentioned you in a wrong way. Get a space in your heart to forgive me for addressing you in a wrong way. This will never happen in future. I take it as a mistake. Pole my sister, na karibu JCM Church, kanisa la watu wote. Na Wakenya mwena comment section makoro makiandiko na Charles Kimani mwagia kwa Bishop Ben gukahoa Nairobi muthekege is a good comedian. Comedy has elevated him to imaginable heights. Comedy led him to evangelism, and in a blink of an eye he was a bishop of one of the biggest churches along Bypass. His church has not now outgrown comedy and Senegians. Comedy gesokerere de domiriri no ya comment na Charles Kimani mwangi akauga Bishop guka wa Nairobi muthekege is a good comedian. Comedy has elevated him to your imaginable heights. Comedy led him to evangelism, and in a blink of an eye he was a bishop of one of the biggest churches along Bypass. His church has now outgrown comedy and shenanigans. The comedian in him must now give room to professionalism, spiritualism, and delegation of roles. In his apologies and word from his mouth must have empathy. Enoge aikoro akiandiko Suzi Sila akauga anaomba msamaha juu ya kuongea ukweli ya Kikenya. Na Rachel Kerigo akauga uthamaki wa matuine no aria menyihagia nginya twana twagege haria fata kuona na kwiruta kugaga sorry yonanagia iteo cia ikiro kia iguru muno na thayo wa ngoro. Na Betito Rosa kwa heli mtu amefika form 4 akapata hii kuliko mwenye hakufika. Huongea bila kujua, anaongea vibaya. Na Susan Wathungia kauga thank you Bishop for forgiveness. No one is who is holy. Na Jose Wathe kauga reckless Bishop majigambo mingi modo aho na dahu bereda. Na Peter Nganga kauga Bishop King needs to tame his mouth. It will finish that church. Otherwise he is doing good work by assisting the poor. And Anita Kima kwa think before you open your mouth. Na John Getori Njogu kwa huyu Bishop wenu na visanga jameni haziishi. Ukona kwa mwagi wa mohoro ni ino guhoena gitio kinene witikire guko subscribe thini wa channel ito ya mwagi wa mohoro na uko gito follow mwena wa TikTok.